up, you guys? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to clean out your dishwasher filter. So this was something I had no idea that I was supposed to be doing until my dishwasher stopped working and all the water was floating nicely and stinkily at the bottom of my dishwasher. So come along with me so I can show you how to quickly and easily clean out your filter for your dishwasher. Alrighty guys, so this is my dishwasher, just your basic average dishwasher. I think it's a GE brand. You just go ahead and open it. You'll see it looks very normal. You go ahead and pull it out and we just put the dishes away, and you will see that there are some food particles that I'll have to clean out that are just right here. But what happens is they end up going down right here into this filter, and when it gets clogged up, the water starts backing up within your dishwasher, and mine does an automatic shut off. I didn't realize that, and the water stayed here and got super stinky. So I had to figure out how to do this on my own. It's actually super easy, and I had no idea. So you just come down here and you turn your filter, and you can already see that there is food particles and gunk in here. So I clean it out about once a week now, so it's a pretty regular thing for me after that incident happened. You can see down there where it's already filtering through some stuff, some of the larger particles. But this, if the netting gets clogged up, then your dishwasher won't run. All right, so you just go ahead and easily take this out. I'm gonna move it over here into my sink area, and you can basically just rinse it and scrub it out with your scrub brush. Now you have your clean filter. You're just gonna go ahead and insert it back into your dishwasher. Make sure it's in there good, there we go. And then just twist it to lock. Doesn't come out now. There we go, we have a nice clean dishwasher. Definitely recommend you cleaning out your filter at least once a week so that your dishwasher can run nice and smoothly and get all your dishes clean. If you guys found this video helpful, definitely give me a thumbs up down below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.